50 million years ago, swamps with cypress and tupelo trees were spread over much of the northern hemisphere. During this same period, North Carolina's coastal plain was under the ocean. Swamps were widespread here in the late Pleistocene, approximately 100,000 years old ago. They were rich habitats and home to mastodon, giant armadillo, tapir, and jaguar. These older swamps, however, met their ends in the ice ages and another oceanic invasion later in the Pleistocene. Most of today's southeastern swamps are less than 5,000 years old. The extensive swamps of South Carolina are the last refuge for the ivory-billed woodpecker, the Carolina parakeet, Bachman's warbler, and the cougar on the state. Swamps still harbor, however, threatened animal species such as the wood stork, the swallowtail's kite, which is a butterfly, black bear, alligator, and others, as well as rare plant species. Many of the South Carolina rice fields were originally bald cypress gum swamps that had to be cleared before slaves could plant rice cultures and they could begin. The lumber made from these old growth stands was renowned for its resistance to rot and termites. The wood was good for shingles, shipbuilding, fence posts, water tanks, paddling, coffins, as well as general construction. Although most old-growth cypress was harvested long ago, it's still possible to visit an old original growth swamp in South Carolina. The Audubon Society manages over 11,000 Francis Beadler Forest in the Four Holes Swamp in Berkeley, Dorchester, and Orangeburg counties. Breidler Forest contains bald cypress swamps of over 1,500 years old. It's the largest of old-growth bald cypress gum swamp remaining in the world. It also should be known that the 22,000-acre Congaree Swamp National Monument in Richmond County, near Columbia, is the largest tract of southern bottomland hardwood forest in the U.S. Within the forest is floodplain swamps extending along the Congaree River that contain cypress trees of over 1,000 years old. Here in Charleston, South Carolina.